Hello, I am your host, Mora. Welcome to this guided meditation designed to help you connect with your higher self and find the answer to your question, which is already within you. Find a comfortable place, either sitting or lying down, and take a few deep breaths, letting go of any tension or stress. Imagine a bright light above you, a light that is warm and comforting. This is the light of your higher self, and it is here to guide you. As you focus on the light, imagine and feel it shining down on you, filling you with warmth and love like the sun. Allow this radiant light to penetrate every cell of your being, healing and rejuvenating you. Now please bring your mind to the question that you would like answered. It may be a question about your life, your purpose, your relationships, or a business. Whatever it is, hold it in your mind. Now imagine that you are standing at the base of a wooden staircase. We are going to climb up the stairs, and each step you take will bring you closer to your higher self and closer to the answer you are looking for. As you begin to climb the staircase, you feel a sense of anticipation and excitement. You are getting closer and closer to your higher self, and you are about to receive the guidance and clarity that you seek. With each step, you feel yourself become lighter and more joyful. You are leaving behind any doubts or fears and stepping into a higher state of consciousness. When you reach the top of the staircase, you see yourself waiting for you. This version of yourself is a wise and loving presence who knows you better than anyone else. take a moment to speak with them and feel the calm wisdom that radiates from them. Now ask your question and listen for the answer. Your higher self will give you the answer you need. Whether it comes in the form of a word, a feeling, or an image. Trust and know that this answer is the right one for you, and allow it to sink in. Take a moment to thank your higher self for their guidance. And when you are ready, begin to descend the staircase, knowing that you can bring the love and wisdom of your higher self with you into your daily life. And as you step down, 3, 2, 1. And we are back down where we started. Take a few deep breaths in and release. And breathe in and release. When you are ready, open your eyes. Remember the guidance that you received, and know that you can return to this meditation anytime you are in doubt or need inner guidance. Namaste.